Welcome to Learn with Rensia, Learning English channel.
A small, cozy restaurant. Jane is sitting at a table waiting.
Hello. Welcome to our restaurant. How can I help you?
Hi, I'll just have a coffee for now, please. I'm waiting for my friend.
Okay. 1 coffee. Would you like it with milk and sugar?
Yes, please, with milk and sugar.
I'll bring it right away.
Hi, Jane. Sorry I'm late. There was a lot of traffic. It's okay, but I've been waiting for 1 hour. I was about to leave. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to make you wait. Did you order food yet? Yes, I had a coffee. I didn't want to leave, so I stayed. Thank you for waiting. I feel bad. Let's eat together now. What should we have? I was thinking of leaving, but I'll stay. Let's look at the menu. Thank you. Next time I will leave earlier, I promise. What do you want to eat? I was really waiting a long time. I told you we should meet earlier. It's already 1 p.m. I know, I'm sorry. I will be on time next time, I promise. Can I make it up to you? It's okay. Let's just eat now. I'm hungry.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the chicken salad, please. I'll have pasta, please. I'm really hungry now.
Good choice. I'll bring your food soon.
I feel bad for being late. How was your coffee? It was fine, but I'm really hungry now. Let's talk more when the food comes. Yes, I will make sure I'm on time next time. Promise. I will remember that.
Here is your chicken salad and pasta. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks really good. It does. I'm happy we're eating now. Thank you for waiting. How is the food? It's delicious. I'm glad we're eating together. Next time, we will meet on time. We can also have dessert. What kind of dessert? Chocolate cake. I love it. Let's get some. Okay, chocolate cake sounds great.
That was really good. I'm so full, but I think I still have room for dessert. Yes, me too. We still have time, right? Let's get dessert. Definitely. I'm in the mood for something sweet. Chocolate cake sounds perfect.
I agree. Chocolate cake is always a good idea. It's my favorite.
Are you ready for dessert?
Yes, we'll have 2 slices of chocolate cake, please.
And can we also get some coffee to go with the cake?
Of course. 2 slices of chocolate cake and 2 coffees. I'll bring that right away.
I'm really happy we're doing this. Even though I was late, we're having a great time now.
Yeah, me too. I'm glad we could enjoy this lunch together. It feels good to relax and have fun.
Next time, I'll make sure to be on time for you. I don't want to keep you waiting again.
It's okay. I know you didn't mean it. I just like spending time with you, even if you're late sometimes.
Oh, you're the best. I'll try my best not to make you wait next time.
Here's your chocolate cake and coffee. Enjoy.
Thank you. It looks so delicious.
It really does. I'm excited to eat it.
Let's take a picture of it first. It looks too good not to.
Good idea. We can share it with everyone later.
Okay, now we can dig in.
Yum, this is perfect. Chocolate cake makes everything better.
It's so rich and sweet. I'm going to enjoy every bite.
This was a great choice. We should do this more often.
I agree. Next time, I'll even try to make a homemade cake.
That sounds amazing.
I'm in.
Are you ready for the bill?
Yes, please. How much is it?
The total is $35.50 for both meals, the dessert, and the drinks.
That's not bad at all. I'll pay for it this time. Are you sure? I can pay for my half. It's okay, Mercy. I invited you, remember? You can get the next one. Okay, thank you. You're so kind. I promise I'll treat you next time. I'm glad we could finally meet for lunch, even though it took a while to get started. It was totally worth the wait. I had such a good time.
Here's your receipt. Thank you for coming, and have a great day.
Thank you. We'll definitely be back. Thanks so much. Have a good day. This was a fun day. Thanks for meeting me, even if you were a little late. I'm glad we could still enjoy it. I promise I'll be on time next time. I'll hold you to that, but I'll always be happy to meet you, even if you're a little late. You're the best, Jane. Let's do this again soon. Definitely. Next time, we'll make it a dessert date again.